Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video I am going to show you this beautiful purple smoky eye look. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Mehk and I love to create eye makeup tutorials. And today we are going to learn this look, and for this look we need Maybelline gel liner. And I'm taking a pencil brush and creating a wing and then spreading the wing towards the outer corner of my eyelid in a form of an angle. If you see carefully, the reason I'm using angled brush is because it gives me more precision, more control, and I'm ensuring that I give it as a nice shape. Then I'm adding a little bit of black eyeshadow just so that my gel liner doesn't smudge. After adding black eyeshadow, I'm spreading it a little bit and using this dark purplish reddish tone eyeshadow from Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I'm spreading that pinkish shade in the center of my lid using a fluffy blending brush. And if you see, I'm softening the edges of my black eyeshadow as well so that my eyes don't look harsh. Then I'm going in with this purplish light mauve shade in the inner eyelid, and diffusing it with the red shade, pinky red shade. It's really pretty. And after diffusing these three shades, I am adding shimmer all over my lid and blending it with the brush. And I'm using the same shimmer in my inner corner of the eye as well as my brow bone. And I'm using light mauve shade in my lower lash line as well. After blending that shade, I'm going to use Maybelline gel liner under my eyes. And after lashes and mascara, this is my complete look. I will see you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye.